the stone. There were three great arches standing, now just one remains alone. Cliffs like ancient storytellers, carved by tides that never sleep. County Clare keeps all its secrets, where the waters run so deep. They say the wind remembers every ship that passed before, and the gallows tell old romances of the ones who came ashore. Oh, the bridges of Ross, where the legends cross, where the seas roll in with a silver gloss. Some say giants shape the coastline with their wandering weary hands. Still the waves keep singing where the last bridge stands. Fishermen speak softly of a bell beneath the foam, ringing when the storms are rising, calling wandering souls home. Some believe the rocks are gateways to a world beneath the blue, where the Selkies dance at midnight. Could it ever be true? The lighthouse on Loop Head keeps an ever-watchful flame, but the ocean writes the stories, and it never signs its name. Oh, the bridges of Ross, where the legends cross, where the sea